Hello and welcome to the Access video series. Today we're going to talk about how to access and use your My Progress report. Today we're going to talk about how to access the report, explanation of the different features, and how to use this as a registration tool. Okay, first up, what is the My Progress report? Well, the My Progress report is a tool in your My SJSU portal that allows you to check your progress in obtaining your degree. It allows you to check general education and major course progress. Okay, first step. Let's go to www.sjsu.edu. Here's an example of our campus page. Find the one.sjsu icon and click it. Okay, this will take you here to the one.sjsu Spartan Apps portal page. Simply find the My SJSU icon and click. Okay, from there this will take you to your sign-on page. Simply enter your user ID and password and click Sign In. Now here's an example of your My SJSU page. From this page, hover over the Other Academic drop-down menu. Okay, from here you want to highlight My Progress, and then you want to click the arrow. This takes us to our My Progress page. Okay, so let's scroll down and just take a quick glance at the page. And at first glance, this looks very confusing. You see a bunch of symbols and statuses and numbers and grades, but hopefully by the end of the presentation, this gets less confusing for you. Let's first take a look at current academic objectives. So this box tells us things like if you're a graduate or undergraduate student, tells us your major, if you've applied for graduation. Current academic summary tells us things such as your academic standing, your overall and SJSU grade point averages. Important information. Read this once in a while. It may give you important bulletins about your report. These two boxes, My Progress icon and the course icons, tell you how to read all the symbols that are scattered throughout the page here. Expand All gives us an expanded view, makes it less confusing to look at. Let's first take a look at this RG1048 symbol, RQ39L110. Disregard these symbols. These are meaningless. These are leftover PeopleSoft coding. Okay, let's scroll back up here to University Units. And at first glance of the section, and again, it's confusing, but we're going to actually break down each of these unit sections for you. Okay, first up, to get an undergraduate degree here at San Jose State, you need at least 120 semester units. Of those 120 semester units, 50 of those units need to be outside of a community college. 40 of the 120 units need to be upper division classes. Now, upper division classes are simply classes that are listed 100 through 199. 30 of the 120 units need to be in residence or taken here at San Jose State. That's what in residence means. 24 of the 120 units need to be taken here at San Jose State. Alright, so let's scroll back up and actually take a closer look at these numbers here. By the end of this semester, this particular student will have completed 108 units. Now these taken numbers represent completed units plus units attempted, leaving the student with 12. And as you can see here, the student is not complete with this section as noted by the red square. By the end of the semester, 33 outside of a community college, leaving the student with 17. And again, not complete. 33 by the end of this semester, leaving them with 7 in terms of upper division classes. Not yet complete as the status, By the end of this semester, 33 taken, 0 left. Complete with this section. Now 24 upper division units taken here at San Jose State. This section is complete. There's no notation down here, and you have the green check mark. Okay, university grade point average. Not very much information is given in this section, but it does distinguish between the two grade point averages, your all-college grade point average and your in-residence grade point average. Okay, scrolling down the page, you're going to see your core GE requirements. Now let's take a look at the student's example here. A1, oral communications. This section is done. You see the green check mark, which means complete. And scrolling down the page, you can see the completion and need statuses of all the other classes. And you can see that all of his GE classes are done, as noted by the green check mark. Let's look at SJSU studies. Now, to take these groupings of classes, students need to take and pass the writing skills test and have completed 60 units. And as you can see here, you can see the completion status of these classes, RS and V. American institutions, look like the student is done with all of his American institutions classes. Scrolling down to his major requirements, and you can see the completion status of all his major classes. Okay, let's take a look at Soc 104. This is one of the classes he needs, and this is a really cool function of the page. Let's click this live link, quantitative research methods link, view course detail. Clicking the link, you'll see course detail. Here's a description of Soc 104. Enrollment information. Here's the course detail. Let's click View Class Sections. By doing that, you can actually see the open sections for that given semester. And we're looking at winter 2019. Let's look at next semester, fall 2019. Click Show Sections. And here you have it, the sections that are available for fall 19 for Soc 104. Looks like all the classes are waitlisted. You can select the class to enroll into the class. Click Return to get to the previous spot and page. Thank you for watching our video today, and stay tuned for more Access instructional videos in the near future. And once again, thank you very much for viewing.